I'm Mark Baxter with US Products, and I'd like to tell you about the new Cobra H 10.0. The Cobra H 10.0 is a 10-gallon solution, 10-gallon recovery. In the recovery tank, there's a ball float shutoff. On the front of the unit, we have our 1.5-inch vacuum inlet, and we have a dump hose. Exhaust port here, which comes through a muffler. We have air ventilation on 3 places around the base to ensure that the components are kept cool. On the back side of the solution tank, we have the lid, so your fill port's located right here. On the switch plate, we have VAC 1, VAC 2, we have pump control, and we have heat control. The heater in the unit is a 1750 watt inline heater. We have the 200 PSI pump and dual cord operation. One cord will supply the amperage to the heater, the other cord will supply amperage to the vacuum motors and pump. When you open the unit up, you will note the 2 vacuum motors, and these are dual 3-stage vacuum motors, and they're ran in series. So the unit itself produces around 175 inches of lift with 120 CFM. On the vacuum side, we have the muffler, as I mentioned earlier, which leads to the exhaust port. We have the 200 PSI diaphragm pump, and then on the back side of the interior, you'll see the 1750 watt inline heater. Unit has dual latches to the front to ensure a tight closure. On the underside of the base, we have a lift handle here. And on the back, we have the cord wrap. Unit comes with 2 25-foot 12-3 power cords. The Cobra 10.0 200H. Absolute great unit, perfect for the Jansan or the PC professional cleaner. Thank you.